Okay, so I got the wheels on. I think I can move it all around the yard. I just got to put some handles on it.
And you got to sturdy.
Yeah.
Everything up, but hell, you gonna be able to move it once you put.
Told you so. I dare somebody tell me I can't do something that I want to do. Yeah, I built this bitch by myself. I sure did. A-frame and all. Matter of fact, that's the first time I ever built a damn A-frame and cut it by my damn self. But, I ain't worried about the weight. Pete, move back, baby.
Uh-oh, in a rut. No problem.
Oh, hold on. Let me show them how it's adjustable. And yeah, the wheels will pick it up. All I got to do is move the lever. No wheels. Pow.
And on the ground.
What? And that's why they call me WonderWoman.